Hi guys, this is the Python series part 17. Now let's discuss about the for else concept. The else block won't to be executed if the loop gets terminated by the break statement. If the loop does not hit the break statement, then the else block will be executed once after the loop has completed all its iterations. Got it? Let's see this example. Here I have created the variable n and I have used the input method to read the input from the user during the execution of the program. We already know input method always returns the string data type value, but I need the integer value. That's why I have implemented the typecasting. Okay, so the string value will be converted into integer. That converted value only will be stored inside the n variable. Okay, and I have implemented the for loop and I have used the range method. This range method returns from 1 to n minus 1 values. Okay, and the original setup for this for loop is printing the numbers from 1 to n minus 1 on my console. Okay, and inside the for loop I have implemented the decision making statement. Okay, and inside the if block I have used the break statement. So what is the usage of break? Break is one of the loop control statements. This is used to terminate the loop. Okay, if I give n value is 3, means what will happen? For the first iteration, I value is 1. That value will be printed, and after the evaluation of this expression we will get false only because I value is 1. 1 double equal 5 returns false only. Okay, this is the relational operator, comparison operator or relational operator. It returns false only. Means the if block will be skipped and the control jumps to the third line. Now the value of I is 2. That value will be printed on our console, and again this expression returns false only. So the if block will be skipped and the control jump to the third line. Here there is no element because n value is 3, isn't it? So this loop will be terminated after all its iterations. So what will happen? This else block will be executed only one time. Okay, now let me execute this one. Value 3. So here we got the output number 1, number 2, and the else statement also is printed. Okay, now I try to give the different input. For example, n value is 6, means what will happen? Okay, for the first iteration of for loop, I value is 1, that value will be printed. Second iteration 2, third iteration 3, fourth iteration 4, and fifth iteration, what happens? 5 will be printed, and here after the evaluation of this expression it returns true because I value is 5, 5 double equal 5 returns true only. What will happen? The control comes inside the if block. So here we have the break statement. This break statement will be executed. If this break is executed means what will happen? The else block won't to be executed. Got it? Now let me execute. Now I give the value of n 6. What happens? This is my output. Okay, printing the numbers from 1 to 5, but here this statement is not printed. Why? Because this break is executed. Okay, that's why we didn't get the success in my result. Okay, in the previous execution, we got the success on my console, isn't it? Why? Because in the previous execution, the break is not executed. Okay, but in this case, the break is executed when the value of I is equal to 5. So this break is executed means automatically the else block won't be executed. That's why we didn't get the success here. That is the statement of else. What is the concept of for else? the else block won't to be executed if the for loop gets terminated by the break. Okay. If the loop does not hit the break statement means then the else block will be executed once after the loop has completed all its execution. I hope you all understood about the for else concept. We have completed this session. If you have any doubts, drop the message on the comment section. If this video is useful to you, like and share. For more videos, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, then only you will get the notification for my new updates. Have a nice day. Thank you.